Clifford's red and furry. He roams the neighborhood, sharing hugs and laughter, making sure he's understood. Big Bird's got new sneakers, bright and yellow low. We're both off to the gym where the energy flows, bouncing down the sidewalk, making everyone smile. With a woof and a tweet, they spread joy for miles. We're running along, come join the fun, with Clifford's bark and Big Bird's drum. Gym clothes on, we're feeling bright, spreading joy in the morning light. Children wave and giggle as they see the pair go. Gym bags full of laughter and exercises in tow. From bird feathers to fur, they're the perfect team, playing games and dancing, living the dream. In streets of sesame, happiness takes flight. With each giant paw step, everything feels right. We're running along, come join the fun, with Clifford's bark and Big Bird's drum. Gym clothes on, we're feeling bright, spreading joy in the morning light. Colors flying high, each step a new ride. In this joyful world, we're having a great time. Happiness our mission, love is always near. Together with our friends, we live without fear. We're running along, come join the fun with Clifford's bark and